Good morning, everyone. Meteorologist Emily Thornton with the National Weather Service in Flagstaff, bringing you the monsoon outlook for Tuesday, August 16th. We're going to start out this morning with a look at our current satellite imagery across the area. A little bit of a different color scale than you may be used to looking at, but this is actually a very useful product that we have from GO 17 called the Nighttime Microphysics channel. This channel helps us distinguish between high and low to mid-level cloud cover. And so what you can see here is these lighter blue shades across the Flagstaff area just north of San Francisco Peaks, and then along I-40 and down into the Little Colorado River Valley. These light blue shades are indicating low clouds and fog across the area this morning. So primarily what we're looking at here, according to our observations, are low clouds, but it could be possible that there is some patchy fog across the area here from Flagstaff down to I-40 into the LCR, and then also up north near the Utah border. So be advised, there may be a little bit of patchy fog out there this morning. That should quickly go away as the sun comes up and daytime heating begins. You can also see in some of these deeper reds and magenta colors the mid to high level cloud cover left over from yesterday's convection, and that's starting to also erode this morning with the sunrise. And so we're going to be starting out with a partly sunny to mostly sunny day across northern Arizona, which is going to allow for an on-time start to our thunderstorms today. So now what we're taking a look at is forecast radar for the afternoon. So you can see showers and thunderstorms developing between 10 and 11 a.m. First along the Kaibab Plateau and the high terrain of the Mogollon Rim from Flagstaff down to the White Mountain region. And you can see the general storm motion will be off to the east and northeast today. Once we get into the afternoon, we may see thunderstorms move into the low terrain along developing outflow boundaries as the initial thunderstorms begin to weaken. So could see movement change a little bit through the afternoon, but generally looking at thunderstorms developing between 10 and 11 a.m. and moving off to the east and northeast today. Taking a look at our northern Arizona monsoon outlook for the next few days, you can see scattered storms expected today for Tuesday and again on Wednesday. We are seeing a little bit of a downturn in activity from the more widespread thunderstorm activity that we've seen over the last few days. However, that does not mean that the risk of flash flooding is down to zero. So we could still see isolated heavy rain and isolated flash flooding for today and for tomorrow. So even though you're not seeing a flash flood watch out, and even though there is going to be a little bit of a downturn in activity, definitely don't let your guard down concerning the flash flooding. Be sure that you have a great way to receive warnings, multiple ways to receive warnings, and make sure if you are recreating in a nearby creek or slot canyon that you're aware of the weather situation, when thunderstorms are going to form for the day, and you have a plan for how you're going to continue to check the forecast and make sure that you are not under a flash flood warning. As we move later in the week into Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, we're going to see a return to more scattered to numerous showers. And so again, we're going to continue to see the flash flooding risk, and towards the end of the week, as we have more numerous activity, that is just going to continue to be more of a threat. So we hope you have a safe and wonderful Tuesday, and we'll see you again tomorrow.